Donald is a testament of those who are maybe in your heart, in your mind, wanted to start a business. Yes, you may achieve what George had achieved. Anybody, walang hadlang. Depende lang talaga sa mindset. Kaya sa amin, sa Maynila, we're very proud. And a lot. And mind you, when you go back a little background or little history of the top 10 or top 20 individuals and corporations in the country, you will see that in portion of it between point A to point B, meron silang kasaysayan, ganap, karanasan, tagumpay sa lungsod ng Maynila. Bahagi lagi ng Maynila ang paglago ng bansa. Kaya our forefathers said in our song, in the hymn of Manila, sabi, noong panahon ni Villegas, nabuti George yun, sabi ni Villegas, Mayor Villegas, Maynila, dalhin mo ang bandila. That's the song. Yan ang awit ng Maynila. But to the businesses, the franchisers, the franchise family, thank you for continuing doing business in the city. Rest assured of what we have started in 2019 and 22, losses track in 22 to 25, will bring back that journey where business, rules of doing business in the city of Manila will be certain. The sauce for the gander will be the sauce for the goose. It's a level playing field. Anybody, any John Doe's and Mary, Corporation A, B, C, D, E, F, G, can do business in Manila with ease. No more harm under my watch. Again, as what it is before in 2019 and 2022. No more abuses. I will never. No binuhan ng Diyos, hindi na ako matulong. Makonyatan ko lang itong mga abuso sa City Hall. The disturbed business, no more. Because we want business to prosper. We want business to succeed. Because we need you. Not because of your taxes. No, more than that. We need you to continue to provide